first mystery box, y'all, from Vibe Apparel Co. Instagram store. So, yeah. It's a mystery box. If you guys want to see what I got, stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm glad you decided to stay. So today I will be doing an unboxing and try on from a company that I was introduced to from another YouTuber, Curves, Curls, and Clothes. This company, Vibe Apparel Co. You can find them on Instagram. I will leave all of their information in the description box. But what I decided to purchase was a mystery box. So what they have is they have 3 different kinds of mystery boxes. One mystery box has 3 items in it, and I believe it's like $30 or $40, and then it's 6 items, and I believe the 6 items box is $60, and then you have 9 items, and I believe that box is $80. So I decided to go with the $60 box, but Curves, Curls, and Clothes had an actual discount code that I used, and that made my mystery box only $45. So yeah, so in the box I should have 6 mystery items. I did open it, but I didn't open any of the packaging because when I saw it, it was wrapped so pretty, and like all of the clothes was like individually wrapped in some pink wrapping. So I am just going to share with you guys the items that I got. So first, when you open the box, of course I get my packaging slip, and then they put some little cards in here. This one says you're invited. Join us for our 2nd annual Vibe Tribe Day. So basically they're just telling you on July 27th, they want you to take pictures of yourself in their clothes, and you can hashtag them at Vibe Tribe. So I will definitely be doing that. And now we can get on to the clothes. So this is how everything was packaged. I think this is like really, really nice. The paper, the tissue paper has the V on it, and it also has a description of Vibe. So remember guys, this is a mystery box. I have not seen any of these items. I am opening them for the first time with you guys. So I did purchase my mystery box in a 3X because I was unsure, excuse me, on how the items fit. So, excuse me. This is the first item. Okay. So it is some palazzo pants, which you all know I love palazzo pants. So they have the wide leg at the bottom. It has the Vibe tag on it. So it says Vibe, and then it's in a size 3X. The material is very stretchy. Now the outside feels really, really, really soft. There's a pretty blue and white print, but the inside of the fabric feels like, it's hard to describe what it feels like, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna be like a see-through, but the outside is like very, very soft. So I will insert a clip of me in these pants. Hopefully they won't be too big because it is my first time shopping with them. So let's go to the next one. So the next one, I did do a peekaboo a minute ago. So again, the tissue paper. And this is a stripe and floral t-shirt. And it has a nice little small teeny weeny pocket in the front. Now I do like the colors. I am a fan of floral and I do like the stripes. This will be very new for me because I am not like a t-shirt type of girl, but I can see myself actually wearing this like on a weekend with some nice stretch pants or some black jeans or something. So can't wait to try this on for you guys. And the material is very stretchy, as you can see. So I do like that. And the tag also has Vibe Apparel. So I'm guessing that they make all of their own clothing. The last package was wrapped together, so it was torn already, and it could have been from the box handling with the mailing or whatever. But as you can see, I had not opened this, so it looks like my last 4 items is going to be inside of this. So let's just see what we have, because I just showed 2. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put these 3 back here, and let's go with item number 3. And again, I did purchase all of these in the 3. The mystery box was in the 3X. So this is a cute little dress, and it comes with a cute necklace, as you can see, very pretty. And it is detachable, so you can take that off, which I think is really nice. It's a cute swing t-shirt dress. Now, it seemed like it may be fairly short, but the material, again, it is of nice quality, and it is stretchy, and it's like a stiff stretchy. So I do like that. It doesn't feel like cheaply made or anything. And again, you get the Vibe tag, and it is in a 3X, and I will do the side by side, either on the left or the right, so you guys can see. The next item is another floral dress. So I do see they do a lot of stripes and floral, so if you're not into the stripes and floral, then this may not be the company for you. But so far, for my first purchase with them, I am actually liking everything that I got. So this looks like a Mindy style dress, and it has the V-cut. The material is very soft. It has a 3/4 sleeve. And again, the material is very stretchy, as you can see. So, and again, it has the Vibe tag. Now, this one does look like it's maybe a little see-through, but we will see in the try-on portion. But I do like the floral print, and I love like this color, especially on my skin tone. So I cannot wait to try these on. Okay, so now we're gonna go to number 5. So item number 5 is this very cute, another floral with like a checker print dress. It's a swing dress, and it's really, really, really cute. I like the detail and the floral. I like the fact that in the back it has like the little crisscross detail. Again, short sleeve, Vibe tag, and this is just very, very pretty. The material is, again, very stretchy. So again, a lot of florals, stripes, and checks. So again, as you all can see, I don't mind the stripes or anything like that. So I'm cool with that so far. The material and everything on these items, I am loving. So this would be the last item in the box, and it is solid print. And again, it is another t-shirt type of swing dress. Really, really cute. It's a floral color. I'm sorry, it is plum. This is like a maroon color plum. Now this material feels really weird, but stretchy. So this actually says try me, so I don't think this is a Vibe Co made item, but it is in a 3. So let's see, because the material feel really, really, really strange, and I would love to know what this material is on this. So I was trying to see if there's any tags or anything. Okay, so it's 95% rayon, 5% spandex. It's just, the material feels kind of funny, but again, it is a swing t-shirt dress. So yeah, I will try this on. Now, out of all the items that I got, I wish I would have gotten maybe like a maxi dress or some sort, because I feel like I got so many short dresses, and then I got one Mindy style dress and the pants. So I think to complete this 6 item box, you know, with me getting the shirt, the pants, the Mindy dress, and then I have the swing dresses, it would have been nice to get like maybe a maxi dress with this, just to, you know, have a better range of items, you know, so that I could say, okay, well, the maxi dresses run super, super long or something like that. But anywho, just from what I have reviewed thus far before I do the try on, I actually like the items. So in the next portion, you guys will see me actually try them on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try them on as I'm talking about them, or if I'm gonna do the try on portion at the end. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna actually do the try on portion at the end. So stay tuned for that. And if you're just visiting and you like what you see, thumbs up this video. Leave me some comments. You guys know I love comments. Tell me what you think about the items once you see me try them on. I will leave all of their information below. Again, I found this company through another YouTuber, Curves, Curls, and Clothes. You all can visit her. She does have a discount code that you can use if you are wanting to purchase something from them for the first time. Again, if you want to be a part of the family, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll never miss another video. And in case you're wanting to know what unit I am rocking, I will leave the link to this video below. Also, this is Showstopper from Sensational Kinks and Collab. So yeah, so again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the try on haul. Bye.
Little